supposedly got this for free. I saw an ad on Facebook, and I seen it pop up a few times. So I thought I'll check it out. Anyway, it said you get a free beauty box. So it's called Babebox. So if you want to hear more about this, so stay tuned if you wish to see. Thanks for staying tuned. Okay, now this is called, like I said, the Babebox, and it's by Focallure. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. It's Focallure. Focallure. I've never heard of the brand before. I've seen it several times in advertisements online, and I thought, well, check it out. They sent me emails and their website, and it looked intriguing. Of course, me being a makeup junkie, I wanted to try it out. I wanted to see what it was all about. So I went ahead and signed up. What could it hurt? A free box. So that's what I thought. There's a catch. Once I signed up for it, I read the fine print, and it said you must buy one more month's worth before you can cancel. So guess what? The monthly charge for this is $29.95 plus shipping, and the shipping is $6.95. Oh yeah, the free box, they do charge a shipping, so I paid $6.95. So, well, it's kind of too late. I went ahead and signed up before I realized that, and I thought, well, okay, I should know better. I should read the fine print. I was kind of stuck. So, here goes nothing. It's in a little box, and it's cute. So, I'm opening it up, and it says, "Hey babe, loving your Babebox? Brag about it." Okay, so I'm not going to brag yet because I haven't seen what's in there. What's in there? So I'm going to open it. They do give you a nice card. They say, "Welcome to Babebox Club. We're here to introduce you to new beauty products you will love. Every month we will curate and send you 5 to 6 amazing full-size products picked by the world's biggest beauty bloggers. Excited? Us too. Love the Babebox team." Okay, and on the other side it does tell you what you get and the price of it, retail. Okay, it's packed cute. It's got some little shreddings, paper shreddings. Really cute. And it looks promising. First thing I noticed is really cute little fish brush. I thought, oh, that's darling. Maybe I can give it to one of my grandkids. Hey, they'll love it. It is cute, I mean, you know. And it's something I wouldn't use. It feels very silicone-y and stiff. I don't know what I would use for it. It's soft, but not... I don't know what I would use it for. But it'd be cute to give to one of the grandgirls. So I thought that's cool. I mean, I do that when I do get things that I don't really wish to use or want. I will either gift them or give them away. So that's good. The next thing I pull out is lips. So obviously that is a lipstick of some sort. Let me read what that's about. It's called Focallure Matte Lipstick Pen. And it is safety sealed. I mean, it's wrapped right up. So let's see here. You know, I always like to be honest and transparent with you. If I see something I like, I'll tell you. If I see something I don't like, I'll tell you. That's just my opinion, of course. But this I'm kind of on the fence about. I don't know anything about it. And usually I don't. This is in the color Fuzzy Wuzzy. In shade 08. Okay. And it's a lip crayon, okay? These are nice. I don't use the lip crayons. I don't know why. I either like a lipstick bullet or a liquid lip or a gloss. These, I mean, I have used them, but, and then this is a nice color. I mean, it's a nice nude. So, but I don't know the quality of it. This one here says it retails for $12. So I would swatch it. You can probably see the color, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not. So I'm going to be careful and protect it. So I may just gift this. You probably wonder why I'm so skeptical. Well, after I did this, I went online and actually investigated it and saw some videos on it, and it was, I think I found one good review. So that got me kind of scared. Alrighty, next one here is eyes, and it is a volumizing mascara. Okay, I have tons of mascara. I guess I'll go ahead and open it because I'm not gonna, I mean, you know, the safety seal. Just to see what the tube's like. I can still gift it because I'm not gonna like use it or anything. And online I did find out that this one is one of their best mascaras, you know, the top of line that they carry. So I think they were really pretty positive for this, if I remember correctly. Okay, it's called Balm Lashes. Just looks like a normal tube. And being if I do gift this, it'd be someone I know. I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to open and see the brush. Well, it's a pretty common brush. I like these brushes. Don't know why I'm smelling it. Oh, I meant to tell you too, the one thing I did like about this is why I went ahead and signed up, is because it's 100% vegan and cruelty free. So I wanted to support that. And that's why I went ahead and took the plunge. Okay. And next we got is a face mask. It's a hyaluronic face mask. And it says that it's enriched with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. Well, hyaluronic acid is a moisture, it tracks moisture to your face. So, and this one, I don't think I believe this. If this is the case, I don't see how they could sell it for too many people. It's a Korean face enriched with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and so it's Korean skincare, is what I'm trying to say. It is retail valued at $35, and it just looks like one mask. Wow. $35. Well, I'm going to try this. I mean, wow. It's going to really be nice if it's really, I know price isn't always the answer, but I'm going to try it. I can't imagine a face mask being $35. Let's see if there's any special instructions on it. Not really, just a normal face mask. Just you just let it, it'll even say how long to leave it on for. It just says it helps with moisture, your skin texture, your fine lines and pores. It does everything that any other moisture mask would do. Well, that's to be continued, okay? Oh yeah, and let's see, the eyes, the mascara, did I tell you what that was? I think I did, yes I did. It was 12. And the lip pencil is $12 also. Okay. Oh, no. I'm getting myself confused. I mean, this is $12, a lip crayon. The eye mascara is $25. The mask is $35. The little brush is $11. Okay, I don't know about you, but this looks like something that came from Wish for free. I'm sorry. It's cute, but that's about it. Okay, next thing we got was a nice eyeshadow palette. Okay, this looks like I might like it. And it is retailed for eyeshadow palette. Sorry, it's taking me so long to focus in here. It's 10 colors, retails for $19. You know, today, or last night, we had a snowstorm. You know what we got right now going on? Thunder and lightning rainstorm. That's Michigan for you. If seasons. You can have all 4 in one day. Middle of April. Okay, wow, this is really wrapped nice. It's like wrapped and then wrapped and then wrapped. Okay, it's really pretty. I like the packaging. Wow. It's teeny tiny. Okay. The colors are pretty. They're look like they're in the berry pink family. Okay. Let me just go ahead and see here. I'm just going to lightly tap it. Looks like it's nicely pigmented. So again, I'm not sure if I'm going to gift this to someone or keep it. It's nice if you travel, if you know, because it's so tiny. You can stick it in your small little cosmetic bag, and it's nice and tiny. But you know, I'm already bound to that next month. So let's see what that's like. So I don't. If it's anything like this, I definitely am not keeping it. Not if I have to pay. Say 29 plus 6, $35 a month. Oh heck no! Not after BoxyCharm. I don't know what I was thinking. Well, I wasn't thinking because I didn't read that fine print, and I never would have joined it for that much if I would have known before I hit the OK button. I'll learn. Anyways, I just wanted to show you this. This, like I said, is $19. The whole total box value is, they say, is $102. I think that's an exaggeration. But that's my opinion. I could be wrong. I want to give them the benefit of the doubt. I really do, because I do like the idea that they're vegan and cruelty-free. So I'm still going to do some more research on them. I don't want to slam them right now. Give them some, you know, give them benefit of the doubt and see. So this unboxing, I will have more on what I think of it next month. And if you're interested, you know, hit that notification bell so you know when I have a new video up, and see if that's what it is about. And I hope you like this video and you subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you real soon. Bye.